class. Today I brought a little something. Can you guys tell me what this is, maybe?
Candy.
Yogurt.
Yeah, there's yogurt in there. Are there layers?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah? You think so? What do you guys want to do with that?
Eat it.
Eat it.
You want to eat it? Well, today maybe I'll let you guys make one and you can eat it. But first, I want us to look at the layers. So you guys work together and look at these layers. And what have we been talking about in science class?
Dirt.
Dirt. We've been talking about the layers of the soil. So I want you guys to look at that and see if it looks like anything we've been learning about maybe. Let's see if you can identify the layers.
This looks like rocks.
Rochelle, what do you think?
It looks like plants.
Plants, maybe? You think they could look like plants?
The top part's the
What's the layer that's rocks? Can you guys remember what we learned? No.
Parent soil.
There's parent soil. That's one of our layers. Good. All right. Subsoil. Good. I'm going to let you guys look at our layers of soil. And let's talk about them. Talk about what you guys have learned. What's the organic layer? That's what's up here on top. What's our organic layer in the cup?
Almonds.
Yeah, the nuts are on the top, and that's our organic layer. And what is that in real life on the soil?
The plant pieces.
The plant pieces. That's when the plants are just starting to die. Like right now it's fall, so the leaves right now on top, that's our organic layer. What about the topsoil?
The dirt that we plant in.
It's the dirt. It's starting to be dirt. Yep, and there's little rocks. Like if you take a shovel and you scoop, you'll get little rocks, right?
Right.
And what about the next layer? What's it?
Bigger little rocks.
There's big. So that's the subsoil, right? Can you guys say subsoil?
Subsoil.
And that's the chunky rocks and plants. So the plants are starting to break down more, and then there's rocks starting to form. What's the next one? Mac, you said this when we were looking at it before.
Parent soil. I mean material.
Parent material, good. And that is when the rocks are starting to get bigger and there's less plants. They're starting to get bigger. See how there's the Oreos in this layer? Yeah. And what's the bottom layer on our cup look like?
Bedrock.
Bedrock. And that's just solid pieces of rock. Do you guys think you could create the layers of dirt using what I have up here?
Yes.
Okay. Well, let's see if you guys can create these using these. I'm not going to tell you what order to do it in, but you can look at my cup and try to do it.
Okay.
Okay, go. Here's the stuff. This can be spoons. Can anybody tell me what's going to be on the bottom?
A
Brownie.
And what is it?
Bedrock.
Bedrock.
Bedrock. Good.
Can I have a spoon, please?
Here you go.
Remember, you can't eat until we're done. Okay, Mac, what layer are you making? Actually, Rochelle, can you tell us? Max told us the last 2 times what layer this is.
That's parent.
The parent material. Good.
I got a lot more brownies.
Remember, you're going to need enough room so that you can do all the layers, Rochelle.
Can Can I eat it then?
No, just smush it down really good. Because that's the bedrock. And the bedrock is really hard, right?
Right.
Because it's all rock.
Right. I got stuff to my spoon.
That's alright. Good job, Mackenzie. You're still working. I'm done. Alright, now I want you guys to compare your cup with your piece of paper and see if they kind of look like each other.
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah.
What about my cup? Does it look like mine, the one I created?
I think so.
Yep, good job. You guys successfully created a model of the layers of soil. You guys did a good job today. You can go ahead and use your spoons and eat your soil. Good job.